What's up, YouTube? Today, we're going to do something I like to do with shoes. Sometimes, if they wear out, these are about worn out, I'll cut them to pieces just to see how well, see how well the knives I'm carrying actually work. As far as like, well, this thing is ridiculously sharp. Let me use this guy. Trying to hold this in such a manner that I do not hurt myself. Wow. Well, this cattle knife from GEC just like laser beamed through that. Oops. So we're going to set that aside. Jesus Christ. All right, so on to the next shoe. We're going to use this guy because I carry it a lot. We're going to see how well it does. I feel like it's binding up on something. Let me see. Well, I mean, they both did exactly what they were supposed to. I do think that the cattle knife felt a little bit easier. Probably has to do with the grinds, honestly, because hollow grinds can kind of tend to feel like they catch a little bit sometimes. Yeah, so in any event, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.